Welcome to the YouTube channel for Mania with God's Grace. We do have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Spigen screen protector, Spigen's lens protector, ESR screen protector, and the Ring screen protectors over there. So in today's video, we are going to check the Spigen's screen protector as well as the lens protector for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So stay tuned and subscribe if you need the installation of these ESR and Ring screen guards as well. So I will leave the link for all of them in the description as well for checking out S26 Ultra over here. And this is the Samsung exclusive color, that's the silver shadow color. So I'm going to show you. This is the silver shadow color, and in today's video we are going to install this Spigen's EZ Fit screen guard. Actually this is a pack of 2, and along with that we are also going to install this EZ Fit lens protectors as well. This is the silver shadow color, so you can see the sides, right side, the top, the left, and the bottom. So I personally love this color. And okay, now let's look at the screen protectors. We are getting 2 seals over here. Oh, really nice seal with Void logo, and one more over here. Okay, same. We are getting a pack of 2. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is the second one, and so 2 pieces. And then installation guide for, you can see, oh, with steps clearly mentioned, so in case of any issues you can use this. And then we have a tool to pressing the display after the installation of screen guard. So you can do like this stuff, and then it might be the wipes. Okay, so we have the cleaning wipes. It's 2 of them, for 2 of them. So let me split and keep it 1 for here. And we have 2 sets of dust removal stickers, 1 for this guy, 1 for this guy, and 2 microfiber cloth. Oh, 1 microfiber cloth. This is not just a toolbox, actually this is also used as an installation pad. So the final essentials would be 1 piece of screen guard, 1 piece of microfiber cloth, 1 piece of dust removal sticker, and the tool, and then the lens and screen cleaning, and then the installation pad. So that's the installation pad, and place it here. And with the camera module on this location, you can see like this. See, and now it's locked. Now it won't move further. So it's locked. So this is the lens and screen cleaning wipe. It would be a big one, so you can see, and clean the entire screen. Covers the entire area, like from the edges. Make sure you cover the edges, because this is the area which getting chances of high-end bubbles and all because of minor dust. And I would recommend always cleaning just one direction, not like this. This is just used like this. Just okay. Now it feels okay. Now take the microfiber cloth and clean. Remember that you have only 1 microfiber cloth for the 2 screen guards, so use it carefully, or might use just one area. So you can see, and 1/2 is there, so I am just using only 1 portion. And after using, keep this like this and place it somewhere. And now check, is there any dust particles in the display? So I could see some, so place it on the exit area. Now take this dust removal sticker. So for example, you can see this is the portion which we should hold. Don't touch the other part. So if the dust is on the extreme bottom, just place like this and touch with hand, remove. If it on this location, just don't use your finger on that location, just place, and make sure you touch not over here, only just above the dust removal stickers. And I would recommend placing it almost all the corners. Smaller dust, you can use this, and if you see many dust in multiple places, or you are not sure whether minor dust is available or not, then you could use this big one. Use this big one because I almost the dust is removed. Now I'm going to use, see, we have covered all corners, so no chances are left of any dust now. So I don't apply the screen guard. Now you need to check by checking the multiple angles. So some dust can be seen on a particular angle, so check in almost all the angles possible, and it feels perfect. Now I have checked multiple angles. If still it's there, you can use again this dust removal stickers a bit more. Take the screen guard and you can see top over here, so it should be like this. Do not pull up this and do, just keep it as it is and just place like this. Hold this firmly with one hand and then use this pull, and okay, it's done. And you need to slide and press. Okay, and you can do it with two thumbs to the left and right like this, and just wait for 30 seconds. Now 30 seconds is over. It would be a bit of tight, so always keep your hand below and just take out the phone. Wow, oh, perfect. You can see it feels like I haven't installed a screen guard. Actually, I'm doubting. Yeah, yes, I have installed. And one more thing is that, so if you have first registered your ultrasonic fingerprint scanner even before applying the screen guard, then you need to delete them and need to re-register once again. So let me remove this thing. And so this is the EZ screen guard, and okay, feels really smooth. And there is one worst case also I would show you. So if there are chances, if you haven't do this press and slide properly, there are chances, or even take it before 30 seconds or something, you can chances of minor bubbles on here and there. Now, if such worst cases happens, then take this tool, and if a bubble is over here, and take it to the adjacent side. So if the bubble is here, the adjacent side is this, or here or here. So press, not press so hard, it should be pressed in a moderate way till this bubble reaches from this location to the end, and remove it like this. And if the bubble is in this location, check this or here, and so I'll be doing this like this and taken to the adjacent, and you need to apply some force to get this done. And there is a level 2 worst case scenario. So first of all, you need to take the unused dust removal stickers. That means there would be a bubble along with a dust, a minor dust. That's the worst case scenario. So then you need to use your thumb or any nail to lift up this screen guard. You need to remove the screen guard. You can do it partially, and then you can just apply like this. So paste this and remove. So if a dust is on this location, paste like this, you can see, and remove the dust. You can see because this is transparent would be. So in the same way, if the dust is here, paste this on the screen guard without touching anywhere else, and remove the dust. If it's here, paste like this, you can see from here because it's transparent now. So, and remove dust. And now another case is in the display. So make use in the reverse order and place it here and remove, place it here and remove. So just only one dust is that you can just remove it partially, but make sure very slow, else the screen guard could be damaged. So make sure you pull this very slow. Show you how the touch sensitivity and other thing works. And meanwhile, I'm gonna install the lens protector. I'm going to install the lens protectors. So here we are getting the same exact seal as we get on the screen guard. So okay, two set of lens protectors and just a dust removal sticker and microfiber cloth. Okay, now the first thing you need to take is the dust removal sticker, okay, and apply for each lens. Make sure you didn't touch any of the lens and cover the entire lens area. Does on the other ones as well. Make sure you always touch it within the dust removal sticker, not outside. One more thing is there. After that, you need to check, is there any minor dust is there. Let's check it very close, and I think it's completely clean. If you have failed anyone, you can just, and after applying for a bit, you can check is there any dust. Then you need to use the second dust removal sticker. So currently I haven't seen any, so that's why I'm using the same one again and again. Okay, so you can see it's perfect. So make sure you check it with multiple angles. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and do it something like this, and it's perfect. Now, so I have taken one, and you can see here is a sticker. Just remove it and place it exactly and give a minor press. Press 1, press 2, press 3, press 4, and a press 5. So now it's done. So I'm gonna just pick up. Oh, okay. So now you can see it's perfect. Now I would recommend using your finger, or not on the lens but over here, to check it firmly applied or not. So I'm not touching the lens. You can see, you can clearly see I'm not touching the lens. I'm touching the edges only. You can see, yeah, you can see I haven't touched the lens yet. And if mistakenly, if you touch like this and then you have a microfiber cloth within, and make use of that and just do like this, and you can press like this. Yes, now we are going to check the touch sensitivity. So let me quickly skip for the moment right now. Okay, fingerprints, pattern and fingerprints. Okay, it's really snappy. Wow, nice. So you can see, okay, it works seamlessly. Register, let's see, and I'm gonna start like this. 3, 2, 1 and go. 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 And it's done. Okay, so accept. Light mode. You are all set up home. Oh, you can see. Oh, really smooth to touch. Okay. Oh, wow. Let me type some. God is love. Thank God. Oh, no issues. Fingerprint check. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, no issues. Rapid touch. You can see. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, so perfectly working. We're going to check one more thing. That's the privacy display have any impact due to the screen guard? Definitely no, but let me check it. So we have the privacy display. It's now turned on. I'm going to turn on for maximum protection. Now let me check. Okay. Okay, so no issues. It's visible perfectly, and brightness, and this is out, and oh, really smooth and fluid. Screen guard material feels a bit smoother, so yeah, really nice. Now let's check, does the camera have any sort of issues? No. Oh, no issues. It's perfect. No lows in quality. Let me check few more scenarios in the photos. Oh, no issues. Portrait 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x. Okay, so no issues. This is also fine. So guys, that was it regarding the Spigen screen guard and the lens protector installation. So that's it for today. Thank you.